Can you see yourself in the 2019 Nissan Sentra? This vehicle still has fewer than 25,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. This roomy Sentra makes your daily drive fun, comfortable, and convenient. Discover the joy of cornering thanks to sport suspension, precise handling, and crisp acceleration. Then relax and enjoy the cruise in the sleek cabin loaded with tech and clever storage solutions. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, wheel covers, power steering. Safety first meets sporty soul in this Sentra. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.